Have you ever felt lost when someone uses an English idiom you don't understand? Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the idiom, show someone the ropes. This is a common expression that can really improve your communication skills. Let me share a funny story about a new employee who misunderstood this idiom. On his first day, the boss told him, "I'll show you the ropes around the office." The employee thought the boss was literally going to show him some actual ropes. And he spent the whole day searching for them, completely confused. So, what does show someone the ropes actually mean? It's a figurative expression that refers to teaching someone the basic skills or procedures needed to perform a new task or job. The origin of this idiom likely comes from the nautical world, where sailors would teach newcomers the proper way to handle the ropes on a ship. Let's see how this idiom is used correctly. When the new employee finally understood what the boss meant, he said, "Thank you for taking the time to show me the ropes. I feel much more prepared to take on my responsibilities now." You see, the idiom is used to describe the process of guiding someone through the essential details of a new situation or task. Here are some more examples of how you can use the idiom, show someone the ropes. My colleague showed me the ropes when I first started this job, and now I feel confident handling all the tasks. The senior manager took the time to show the new interns the ropes, so they could hit the ground running. I'm so glad my neighbor offered to show me the ropes of gardening. I had no idea where to start. To help you remember the meaning of show someone the ropes, think of a visual image of someone literally guiding another person through a maze of ropes. This mental picture can serve as a useful mnemonic device to recall the idiom's figurative meaning. Did you know that the idiom, show someone the ropes, has its origins in the nautical world? In the past, when new sailors joined a ship, experienced crew members would teach them the proper techniques for handling the complex system of ropes and rigging. This practice of guiding newcomers eventually led to the development of the idiom we use today. There are a few similar idioms you might encounter, such as get the hang of it or learn the ropes. These expressions also refer to the process of acquiring new skills or knowledge. On the opposite end, you could say someone is thrown in the deep end if they're expected to learn a new task without proper guidance. Here's an example of how you could rephrase the idiom, show someone the ropes. Instead of saying, "The manager showed me the ropes of the new software," you could say, "The manager taught me how to use the new software." You'll notice the meaning is similar, but the idiom adds a more vivid and descriptive element to the sentence. Let me share a real-life story that demonstrates the effective use of this idiom. When my friend started a new job at a law firm, the senior partner took her under his wing and showed her the ropes. He introduced her to the firm's procedures, explained the expectations of her role, and guided her through the intricacies of legal practice. This guidance helped her navigate the complex procedures and office dynamics, allowing her to quickly become a valuable member of the team. One common mistake I've seen is using the idiom incorrectly with the wrong preposition, like show the ropes to someone instead of show someone the ropes. Another frequent misunderstanding is thinking the idiom refers to literally showing someone physical ropes, as we saw in the earlier story. To avoid these errors, remember that the idiom is about guiding someone through a new situation or task, not literally demonstrating ropes. Let's test your understanding with a few questions. 1. What is the meaning of the idiom, show someone the ropes? A. Literally demonstrate how to use ropes. B. Teach someone the basic skills or procedures needed for a new task or job. C. Provide someone with a tour of a new workplace. Correct answer, B. 2. Which of these expressions is synonymous with show someone the ropes? A. Throw someone in the deep end. B. Get the hang of it. C. Learn the ropes. Correct answer, C. 3. Which of these expressions is antonymous to show someone the ropes? A. Lend a helping hand. B. Throw someone in the deep end. C. Take someone under your wing. Correct answer, B. In summary, the idiom "show someone the ropes" refers to the process of teaching someone the essential skills and procedures needed to perform a new task or job effectively. Understanding this common idiom can greatly improve your communication skills in both professional and casual settings. Now that you know the meaning, usage, and cultural context behind this expression, go out and start using it confidently in your conversations. And don't forget, if you have any other questions or want to share your own experiences with this idiom, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help you master more English expressions and improve your language skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
I will show you the ropes.
In New York to kind of show them the ropes.
Drew, Stacy is going to show you the ropes and give you a tour.
Show you the ropes.
Show other people the ropes.
Show him the ropes.
Show me the ropes.